Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. And today I will be trying a little bit of an experiment. I will be seeing how some fake flowers take to some blacklight responsive ink. So here we go. Okay, so for this I'm going to use some fake flowers, some invisible ink that I got on Amazon, and a paintbrush. Now I'm not exactly sure how this is going to go because I've never tried it. I imagine it'll work, but we're gonna see. So in order to make the flowers, I'm just going to dip my paintbrush into the invisible ink, and I'm just going to paint the petals. I'm assuming this might work. I don't know. We're gonna find out. I'm doing it on top of this paper towel, though, so I don't make a mess and don't get invisible ink everywhere because I'm not going to see it. So this is pretty much all I'm going to do to the petals. I'm just going to paint them with this and let them dry, and I'm going to see if they glow in the dark, because if they do, I might do a project with them. So honestly, that's really it. So I will be back when these are done and dry. Okay, so they have been sitting here and drying for a little while, and now it is time to see how the fake flowers took the ink. So here we go. Whoa! That is so cool! Okay, you can definitely tell on the paper towel. Hold on, let me... That is pretty cool. The ink seeped into the flowers. And there is definitely invisible ink on my fingers. But that is so neat! That is so cool. So you could definitely try this out and make, like, you know, blacklight responsive. That's what this is blacklight responsive ink. And you could definitely, like, do some really cool projects with these. We'll see what else I come up with. Meaning, like, we'll see what kind of projects I come up with in the future. But this was kind of just an experiment to see if it worked. And it looks pretty cool. So that was actually a pretty successful experiment in my opinion. It looks like the ink absorbed into the material that the fake flowers were made of and looks pretty cool. So as I said before, we'll see what kind of projects I come up with. We'll see. I'm not quite sure at this point in time, but super excited to see what I can make with these. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!